Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by unlocking your Redmi 14C and opening settings. This gets you directly to system controls. Once in settings, tap display to expose screen timeout options. You need these visible. Make sure battery saver is off because it can force shorter timeouts. Disabling it ensures you'll see and set the full range of intervals. If you have a search bar, type screen timeout to jump faster. Otherwise, navigate display sleep to proceed to the next step. Now, once you're in sleep or screen timeout, you'll see preset durations. Tap the one you want. You can select short times like 15 seconds for security or longer options like 5 or 10 minutes for convenience. Choose based on battery versus usability. If a custom option exists, enter your preferred value and confirm to apply it system-wide. Make sure to check if any apps or power profiles override this setting. If so, adjust their permissions or power. Finish by testing. Leave your phone idle and watch it turn off at the new interval. This confirms the change. If the screen doesn't follow the chosen timeout, go back to display sleep to reapply the setting and then reboot the phone. Restarts often clear stubborn overrides. If problems persist, check app power management and disable aggressive battery optimization for apps that keep the screen active. That's the key troubleshooting tip to resolve most conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.